Philosophy. Jose Rizal Memorial State University adheres to the principle of dynamism and cultural diversity in building a just and humane society. The vision. A dynamic and diverse, internationally recognized university. A dynamic, inclusive, and regionally diverse university in Southern Philippines. Mission. Jose Rizal Memorial State University pledges to deliver the effective and efficient services along research, instruction, production, and extension. It commits to it commits to provide advanced professionals, technical and technopreneurial training with the aim of highly competent, innovative, and self-renewed individuals. Then the goals. G means the globally competitive educational attained institution. The R, the resilient of in internal and external risks and hazard. I means the innovative processes and solutions in research, translated in extension engagement. Then the P is the partnership and collaboration with private enterprise, other HIS, government agencies, and alumni. Then the last is S, sound fiscal engagement and participatory manage sound fiscal management, sound fiscal management and participatory agency.